So guys, this is yam, and yam is not meant for only pounded yam or boiled yam. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So guys, today we are making some Yamarita. This is so delicious and this is so nice and so easy to make. You can see how the inside of this is. It's so delicious and you can use this pepper sauce to take it. So guys, sit tight and let's make this together. So guys, for the Yamarita, we need some yam. So this is the yam we are using. And for this, you need white yam. So you can see I have a big tuber of yam. So what I'm going to do now is to cut it and then I'll take out the middle. So now I'll cut. You don't have to cut too thinly. See the size I'm cutting. See how it looks like. And before you cut, get a bowl of water by your side. So when you peel, you just drop it in so the yam doesn't go black. Because some yams do get black when it is cut. So I won't get to the head part of the yam because that part of the yam is a bit strong. So I'll take this out. You can see how white the yam is. So I'll now peel and then cut. People have different ways of cutting their yam, but this is the way I know best to peel my yam. You can see it's so easy to peel the yam. Some people will peel it while the tuber is so long, but I tend to cut it. So what I'll do now is to cut it to the size I want. This yam has a lot of sand. So after cutting, just throw them immediately inside the water so it doesn't get black. So I'll peel all of them and cut like that until I'm done. So this is the cut yam, thoroughly washed. You have to take out any black particles. And this is my pot of water. So I'll just add the yam into the pot of water, because we are going to be cooking for it to be 80% or 90% cooked before we fry. So I'll now sprinkle in just little salt, just little, so that it will have some taste. Cover the pot and over to the gas top for it to cook. So guys, you can see the yam is already boiling and I've come to check and it is cooked. So I'll take it out, pour it into the sieve to take out the water. As you can see, we have some flour here because we are going to be coating the yam. So for this flour to be tasteful or to have some taste, we have to season it. So here I have curry powder, ginger, garlic powder, and onions, paprika, then some pepper flakes, and then some salt. I'll just pour everything in and then stir together to be well combined. Then I'll add in some cornstarch. This will make the yam to be so crispy. So just combine everything together like so, and then you are good to go. You can see I have some eggs here. So what I'll do is to crack the egg. You can add some salt and you can add some seasoning if you want, but I'll just add only salt because the flour is already seasoned. So you mix very well. So the flour is ready. You get your yam, rub it in the flour. Allow it to rub very well. Then dust it kind of. then put it in a different plate. So you just continue the process until you are done. This is so easy to make, and this is so good. You can take it as breakfast. So we are done rubbing with the flour. So you get the egg and dip it inside, like so. Take it out. Repeat the process. You can see it's so easy. If you don't have a tongue, you can use your hand for this. As you can see, the oil is heating up. We have to deep fry. So what I'll do now is to just drop in some flour to know if the oil is hot. So you can see the way it's sizzling. You know the oil is hot. Then you now bring in the yam and let it keep frying. This will fry for like 5 minutes until they are golden brown. You need to fill in the frying pan so you can move them around when you want to. See how good they are looking. So just flip it over so the other side can get well cooked. What we are looking for is for them to be golden brown. So you leave it some more until we have that color that we are looking for. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. And if you've been following me, I say thank you so very much. On the bell so you'll be noticed when I upload any new video. Keep liking and please give this video a thumbs up. So guys, after 5 minutes frying, this is what we have. We take them out, get your paper towel, put them in to take out the excess oil. You don't have to make them too dry because the outside should be crispy while the inside is so soft and succulent. So just take them out like so. Then for the other batch, before you add them, you now have to clean the oil a bit. At this point, you have to reduce the heat because it will be so hot now. So this is what we have. Then I will take them out. So guys, after frying, this is what we have. You can see how the inside looks like, so soft, so crispy. This is my homemade pepper sauce. You can use ketchup or you can use any sauce you want. This is so delicious. Guys, thank you for watching. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do give the video a thumbs up and I will see you in my next. Bye bye.